So we started discussing about JavaScript operators. So in the JavaScript operators, we have discussed about arithmetic operators. So we have discussed about arithmetic operators. What are those arithmetic operators? Okay, what are those arithmetic operators? Plus, minus, multiplication, division, percentile. So what plus does here? Plus will actually add two numbers, and plus will concatenate two strings. That is what we have discussed in our previous session. That is what we have discussed in our previous session. Okay. So minus is actually a subtraction operator. Subtraction means it will actually subtract a number from a different number. Okay. Well, this one multiplication operator, it will multiply two numbers. And this one is actually a division operator. It will actually divide two values, two numbers. Percentile means it will actually give the remainder number, so remaining number. So this is what we have discussed in our previous session. And also I remember we discussed about also assignment operators. Okay. So we did also discuss about assignment operators. Now I am unmuting everyone. Now I am unmuting everyone. You answer me, guys. You answer me. What are the assignment operators I taught in our previous session?
Equal to, plus or equal to,
Minus or equal to,
Minus are equal to, multiplication are equal to,
by or equal to,
divide are
and
equal to,
percentile equal to.
percentile equal to.
Okay. Very good. Equal to plus equal to minus is equal to asterisk is equal to division is equal to modulus is equal to. So we did discuss about these operators as well. Isn't it? Correct me if I am wrong. Correct me if I am wrong, guys. Okay. Fine. Let me just go to the JavaScript background script. Okay. So, well, here, guys, here I am declaring a variable here. Are my name. Okay. This particular variable, I want to assign a value. Then I am using equal to operator. Is equal to, I am actually adding a string here. Uday Gadiparthi. Okay. So using equal to operator, I have assigned a value here. Okay. So that means here equal to operator is used to assign the values. Equal to operator is used to assign the values. Okay, fine. And leave about this variable name. I'm just taking var age is equal to 45. Okay. Age plus is equal to 10. So it will be like age is equal to age plus 45, age plus 10. Then what happens? So this 45 values will come here. 45 plus 10, 55. So finally, in this age variable, it will store 55. Age plus is equal to 20. Then what happens? 45 plus 10 plus 20. So totally you will get output as 75. You will get the output as 75. See, the output finally here is 75. Okay, fine. So similarly, if you use minus is equal to, what happens here? Age is equal to age minus 10. 45 minus 10. What happens here? 35. 35 minus 20. So finally you will get the output as 15. Okay. So similarly, if you use multiplication operator. So 45 into 10, 450. 450 into 20. So that is the output that you will get it here. So it is giving 9,000. Okay. I am giving 4,000 something like that. I am using division operator here. So to divide this value, so 45,000 divided by 10. 45,000 divided by 10. 4,500. 4,000 divided by 20. 4,500 divided by 20. So it is giving, sorry, I have to use division operator here. It is giving 225 as a output here. So, well, here I am giving percentile modulus operator. Then what happens here? I am giving here as some 7. You will get remainder value as 7. Remainder value as 7. Here I am giving 45,000. You will get 117 as remainder value. You will get remainder value as 117. 117 divided by percentile 20 means you will get remainder value as 17. 17 is actually the remainder value. So guys, here what you are doing is you are dividing this value with this particular value, and you are getting remainder value as 117. 117 percentile 20 means you will get remainder value as 17. So hope you are able to understand these assignment operators, guys. You guys are clear about these assignment operators?
Yes, Uday.
Okay, now we will understand about conditional operators. Guys, this is very important. This is very, very important. Conditional operators. Equal to, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These are actually conditional operators. Remember, these are called conditional operators. Okay, these are used to compare the values. These are used to compare the values. Remember, these are used to compare the values. So these will give out true or false. These will give out Boolean value true or false. Remember, conditional operators will give out Boolean value true or false. This is very important. So here these won't give true or false values. true or false values as an output. So these also won't give Boolean value true or false values as an output. So these conditional operators will give output true or false. Remember, these conditional operators will give you Boolean value true or false. I will show you. Where A is equal to 100 I am giving. Where B is equal to 20. So A value, B value both are equal or not, I want to check. Now you tell me, A value and B value both are equal.
False.
A value, B value both are equal, guys. I want to check if both are equal or not. BS dot print A equal to B. Guys, A equal to is an assignment operator. Equal to is an assignment operator here. Double equal to is a comparison operator. Okay, it's a comparison operator. It is used for double equal to is for comparison. So A, B both are equal. A value and B value both are equal or not? So what is the expected output here? You tell me. You guys are genius. Let me run the script here. So you are getting the output as false here. So you got the output as false. Okay. Now I am giving 100. Both are equal or not? Then it will give you output as true. Now it is giving output as true. Now you tell me, this is number 100, this is string 100. Both are equal or not? Hmm? Both are equal or not? So you are telling false. Let me check that. It is telling true. Why is that? It is telling true here. Guys, always remember, double equal to will compare only the values. If you use triple equal to, I'm using triple equal to here. Triple equal to will compare the values and also it will compare the data types. So this data type is number. Data type is number. Data type is string. Okay, this data type is string. So values are matching, but data type is not matching. Then it will give you false. So double equal to, remember, double equal to will compare only values. When I use double equal to, it's comparing only values, then it is giving the output as true. When I use triple equal to, is comparing the values, as well as it is comparing the data types as well. So data types are not matching, right? Then that is why it will give Boolean value as false. Do you understand the difference between double equal to and triple equal to, guys? Okay. So double equal to will compare only the values. Triple equal to will compare the data types as well. Along with the values, it will also compare the data types. So here you tell me, I have taken 100, 100. A not is equal to, so this is nothing but not is equal to, A not is equal to B. Is that true? Is that true? False. Yes. So A, B both are equal, right? So here it is, we have written A not equal to B means false here. Now I am giving here as 70. A not equal to B. A not equal to B. Now you tell me the output here. So it is giving the output as true here. Because A value, B value both are not equal, right? So A not equal to B. Both are not equal, right? Then it will say true. If both are equal, A equal to B means true. A not equal to B means it's false. So this is actually not equal to symbol. This exclamatory symbol is equal to, not is equal to. So this is actually a not symbol. Remember, this is not symbol. Okay. Understand, right? So is equal to is used to compare two values. Triple is equal to also is used to compare the values along with the data types. And not is equal to means if both the values are not equal, it will say true. If both the values are equal, it will say false. Okay. So now you tell me A greater than B. A greater than B. Is A greater than B? False. Because both are equal. It is giving false. Is A less than B? Is A less than B? It is also false. Okay. Now you tell me A less than or equal to B. Less than or equal to B. Now you tell me what is the output. So A less than or equal to here. A less than or equal to B. Then it is true. You will get the output as true here. Okay. A greater than or equal to B. So here 100 greater than or equal to operator is there here. Then it will say true here. Okay. Now I am giving A value as here. 10 greater than or equal to 100. 10 greater than or equal to 100. False. Okay. So 1000 greater than or equal to 100. 1000 greater than or equal to A value 1000. B value 100. 1000 greater than or equal to 100. True. Okay. Getting my point, right? Okay. Fine. So now A less than or equal to B means 1000 less than or equal to 100. Is that true or false? It is false. 1000 greater than or equal to B. 1000 greater than or equal to, sorry, 1000 less than or equal to 100. Then it is false. Okay. So these comparison operators will give you Boolean value true or false, guys. These comparison operators will give these conditional operators will give you Boolean value true or false. So remember this point. This is quite useful in coming sessions. This every operator is very important, guys. Every other operator is very important in JavaScript. Okay. Now we will understand about increment operators. Increment operators. So we understand about everything right here. So plus plus is actually an increment operator. Minus minus is actually an increment operator. Plus plus is actually an increment operator. Okay. So these are limited, guys. We don't have more than that. Plus plus operator and minus minus operator. So plus plus operator is actually an increment operator. Let us say where is equal to age is equal to 25. Okay. Well, here age plus plus means it will increment one number. Age plus plus means it will become 26 year. Age plus plus means here what happens is that 25 becomes 26, 26 becomes 27 here. Okay. Age plus plus means here what happens 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay. Let me print age value now. Now it is giving the output as 28. So 25 has become 26 here. It has incremented one number. 26 has become 27. It has incremented one number. 26 has become 26, 27, 28. So here 27 has become 28 here. So finally it is giving the output as 28. So plus plus operator will increment one number every time. So if I give age plus plus here, it will give output as 29. Okay, it will give output as 29. Age plus. It will give output as okay. Finally, it is giving the output as 30. Suppose if you give minus minus operator here, okay. So here 25 become 24, 24 become 23, 23 become 22, 22 become 21, 21 become 20. Finally, it is giving the output as 20 here. Okay. So plus plus operator will increment one number, minus minus operator will decrement one number. Okay. So these are actually increment operators and decrement operators. Okay. Okay. So now guys, so why this plus plus operator is useful? So let us say in the user table, how many records are there? So in the user table, if you go to the user administration, go to the users here, this user table, how many records are there here? 689 records. So I want to get this count. Okay. So guys, I'm actually, I'm not actually writing the JavaScript now. I'm writing ServiceNow script now. Okay. So plus plus operator, where is it useful and all? I'll tell you. Where user total is equal to 0 I am taking. Is equal to 0 I am taking here. Okay. So I'm writing some script here, guys. Script and all I am yet to teach you. Just ignore. This is ServiceNow script. It's not a JavaScript. This one is JavaScript. Okay. Okay. So here user total JavaScript variable plus plus I am using. User total plus plus I am using. Okay. 0 I have taken. ps.print user total. Let me do the output here. So what is the So it has given 689. So in the JavaScript variable, first I stored 0. So how many records are there? Those many times it is increasing the one number. So first record 1, 2, 3. So something like that. It is calculating each record. So it is calculating each record. Totally it is giving 689. So if you go to the groups here, groups, how many groups are there here? How many groups are there? 56 groups. Okay. So I want to get that groups count. Okay. Here I've used plus operator. You can see here. Okay. Now you can see it will give 56 groups. So we'll go to incidents. The incidents, how many incidents are there? We'll see. So in the incident table, how many incidents are there? 78 incidents are there. Okay. So then I'll change the table name here as incident. In the incident table, how many incidents are there? 78. 78 or not? So what am I doing here? Every time I'm incrementing one number here. So 0, first record, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. It is calculating all the records and it is giving the final count here. You're getting my point? So this is ServiceNow related script, guys. Okay. So we are yet to discuss about this one. Hmm? So you are able to understand how this plus operator is useful. Okay. Now we will understand about a ternary operator. So I studied in Telugu medium, guys. Okay. So don't consider about meanings. Okay. Guys, is that fine? Okay. No worries. So I'm using ternary operator. So guys, ternary operator is bit uh, interesting, guys. So ternary operators will be like question mark, colon, question mark and colon. You take this one. Okay. I'm going here. Okay. Question mark, colon. Remember, before question mark, you have to write the condition. You have to write the condition. So let us say 1000 greater than 100. This is the condition. Remember, for question mark, you have to write the condition. Okay. So here, if the condition is true, okay, after the question mark, whatever you write will be executed. Yes, dot print. Greater value is 1000. Okay. The condition is false. Whatever is written after the colon will be executed. Okay. 1000 is not a greater value. So first of all, before question mark, you have to write the condition. Condition you have to write here. If the condition is true, whatever is there after the question mark will be executed. If the condition is true, whatever is there after the question mark will be executed. If the condition is false, whatever is there after the colon will be executed. Okay. If the condition is false, whatever is there after the colon will be executed. Okay. If the condition is true, whatever is there after the question mark will be executed. If the condition is false, whatever is the... So now you tell me what is the condition output. This condition output you tell me here. So is it true or false? It's true. If it is a true, whatever is mentioned after the question mark will be executed, right? Then finally, greater value is 1000 is what output you will receive. Greater value is 1000. Okay. So now you say, when you see here, 1000 is greater than 10,000. It is false, right? Then this line will be executed. After the colon, this line is there, right? This line will be executed. So it will say like, so 1000 is not a greater value. Getting my point, right? So this is like a if-else condition. This is like a if-else condition. If you have simple conditions, you can use this ternary operator. So if you have simple conditions, you can use this. You can use this ternary operator. Okay. So you are able to understand this, right? Now you will understand about logical operators. Okay. This is actually R operator. This is actually AND operator. Okay. And not is actually a logical operator. Okay. So well, R means, let us say you have 4 conditions. You have 4 conditions. If any one condition is true, if any one condition is true, output will be all conditions are false. If all conditions are false, then output will be false. If any one condition is true, the output will be true. I'll show you one example here. So I have condition 1 where condition 1 is equal to, okay, Uday is equal to Uday Gadiparthi. Both are equal. Both are equal, guys. Hmm? These two values are equal. So we'll close it in parentheses. So then it will give output as false. Okay. So here the output is false. Where condition 2 is equal to 300. This equal, then the output will be false. Where condition 3 is equal to, okay, Ramu equal to Somu. Both are equal, guys. Now here the output will be false. Where condition 4 is equal to, okay, 1000 greater than 10,000. Output will be false. All conditions are false, right? All conditions are false. Here's dot print. Condition 1 or condition 2 or condition 3 or condition 4. Okay. So here condition 1 is false. Condition 2 is false. Condition 3 is false. Condition 4 is false. I am using OR operator here. This is called OR operator. As all conditions are fail, as all conditions are false, it will give output as false. It is giving the output as false. So here and here what is happening is that this one is actually, this condition is true. Condition 3 is true. If any one condition true, it will give Boolean value. It will give Boolean value as true. If any one condition is true, okay. I'm just executing this one. So as this condition is true, if any one condition is true, R operator will give you output true here. Okay. Let us say again I'm giving Somu here. It is false. 300 equal to 300 means this is true. Only one condition is true. This is true. In output you will get output as true here. Okay. Okay. So R operator means if any one condition is true, it will give the output as true. If all conditions are false, then it will give you Boolean value as false. Do you understand the R operator? Hmm? Okay. Now we will understand about AND operator. This is actually AND operator. AND operator means here, guys, all conditions must be true. There are 4 conditions. All conditions must be true. That means 4 conditions must be true to get the output as true. If any one condition fails, you will get the output as false. So see here, I am going here. Uday Gadiparthi. So this condition is true. This condition is true. This is false. Okay. 1 lakh is greater than 10,000. This one is also true. So 3 are true. The 4th one is false. So you will get the output as false. You will get the output as false here. Okay. So if all conditions are true, I am just making here Ramu. So if all conditions are true, you will get the output as true. Now all the conditions are true. Uday Gadiparthi is equal to Uday Gadiparthi means you will get the output as true here. 300 is equal to 300 means you will get the output as true here. Ramu is equal to Ramu means you will get the output as true here. 1 lakh is greater than 10,000 is actually true. So all conditions are true, then it is giving output as true. If any one condition is false, if any one condition is false, any one condition is false, so this is false now. If any one condition is false, output will be false. Now you are getting the output as false. If all conditions are true, then you will get the output as true. And we have this not operator. Not operator. So not operator we have seen here. We have seen here. Okay. So where A is equal to 1000, where B is equal to 1000. If I give A not is equal to B, not is equal to B. Is that true, guys? A equal to B, right? A is equal to B, right? So A and B both are equal. A not equal to B means you will get the output as false here. So that is how you'll use the not operator. Okay. So these are the operators that we will be using in JavaScript, guys. These operators plays vital role. These operators are very important in JavaScript. You are clear, right? Hmm? So any questions, guys? Tomorrow we'll be discussing um, uh, string methods. Tomorrow we'll be discussing string methods. Okay. So any questions from anyone, guys? I have unmuted everyone. You can ask your questions. Any questions from anyone? Sorry, I muted. Huh? Okay. I have unmuted everyone.
Hi, Uday.
Yeah, hi.
Is conditional operators and comparison operators is both are same?
Conditional operators, comparison operators, both are same.
Oh, okay. Thank you. That's the question.
So when you are learning JavaScript, did you learn all these things?
Yes, yes. I saw that both are same in the. That's why I have asked.
So you join the JavaScript sessions for the namesake, or you join the JavaScript sessions um, voluntarily? You learned the sessions with a interest, or how did you join?
Learn this. No, no. Learn the sections interestingly. In the morning, I saw that comparison operator. So I thought that both are same. That's why I asked.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
That is good because I have seen that comparison operators like same conditional operator. That's why I asked.
Where is Vamsi?
Yeah, Uday. So clear, Uday. No questions today.
Hmm.
Hi Uday, I have a small question.
Small question.
Like, yeah, just a doubt. In conditional operator, equal to is the first operator, right? That one and the second one. Can you repeat once?
Yeah, sure. Well, here, if you see, var name is equal to, let us say, var age is equal to, I'm giving 45. Is this a number or string?
It's a number.
It's a number, right?
Yes.
Var um, other age is equal to 48. It's a number or string.
It's also a number.
It's also a number, right?
Yes.
So if I keep it in the single quotes, it's one
It's string.
string, right?
Yes.
Okay. Consider my brother age is also a 55.
Okay.
So if I use double equal to, I'm using now double equal to. Okay. Age is equal to below age. Okay. This is 45. This is 45 number. This is 45 string, right?
String. Yes.
Then what is the output that is giving?
It's
True.
true.
Okay. So double equal to, what it does, it will only compare the values 45. It is not actually considering the data types.
Yes.
If you use triple equal to, so this value and this value both are equal, but data types are different, right? This one is number, this one is string, right?
Yes.
So triple equal to will compare the values and also it will compare the data types as well. So as values are matching, but data type is not matching, it is giving the output as false.
Yeah. I got it. Yes. So in previous equal to, it's only comparing the numbers, not the string or not the data types.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So guys, so far is everybody clear? So far is everything clear? Hello.
Yes, Uday.
So how are you managing your work and how are you managing your learnings? See.
Yeah, that's what Uday, like I'm able to cover the videos, like all videos, but the thing is, practicing, like it's like I'm not able to do much actually. So I need to spend some more time on the weekend. So that's what I plan. Actually, I planned like this week, like yesterday and day before, but due to some internet connection, like cable is cut here, so I'm not able to do much. But I need to do like more practice. Why? Because on the day wise, like mine is almost, it starts from 10 and till our class now 7:30 it will be there. So after like maybe night I can go like previous videos or some those things. But the practicing is something pending. Like I need to do more.
Even I sacrifice my time, guys. In the initial days, my age was cooperating. In the initial days, when I was 23, 24, my age was cooperating with me. I was practicing till late nights, and then I was sacrificing my time over the weekends. Even though I practiced till late night, my body cooperated me to wake up in the early morning and to go for work. And when you have age, you are lucky enough. Okay. So yeah, see, we have to gain the knowledge and we have to earn money. when you are in the when you have energy, when you are in the right age. Okay. So keep it up and keep up your good work, guys. Okay. And see you there in tomorrow's session with a new topic called string methods in JavaScript. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah,
Thank you
thanks,
all.
bro.